Alright, this video I'm going to talk about multiplying, dividing exponents, talk about different kind of special case problems you're going to see with like the exponents look kind of weird. So we're going to go through it step by step, kind of help you through it. So let's look at what we got. Let's move forward. Alright, just so we can refresh ourselves on this, make sure we know that if I'm multiplying two variables together, if they have the same base of x, all we have to do is add the exponent. So 5 plus 3. That's all you got to do. You get 5 plus 3, and you get 8. That's all you got to do. That's an important thing to remember. If you multiply with the same base, you just add the exponents. A simple rule can help you with so many different problems. So now let's look at this. We're going to change 2 to the power of 4x times 2 in the power of 3x. So we're still multiplying two things together. They both have a base of 2, but now the left one has a 4x, and the right one has a 3x. Now my answer is still going to have a 2 in it. Same base. Base is not going to change. It's not going to become a 4 or anything like that. All we're simply doing is just taking 4x plus 3x, just like on the top. That's all we're doing. Simple addition, 7x. So it's 2, same base, but in the power of 7x, because I'm adding 3x plus 4x. Pretty simple. Just looks a little different from what you guys used to seeing. So let's step it up a little bit and see something a little more different. So we have here, come on, write something. There we go. Come on. Alright, we got 4 in the power of 5x plus 1 times 4 in the power of 3x minus 4. So remember, we're still adding our exponents. It's a multiplication. They both have a base 4. So my answer is going to have a base 4. So we're simply just adding those two exponents together. That's all we're doing. So we're taking 5x plus 1 plus 3x minus 4. Just combined just like we did in a previous unit. So your answer still has a 4 in it, a big 4. So you take 5x plus 3x. That gives me 8x. I take 1 minus 4. That's simple. It gives me minus 3. And that's it. It's not that complicated, but all you got to do is add your exponents. All you got to do. Base stays the same, add your exponents. Nothing too extremely difficult. That's all you got to do. Alright, so now we looked at multiplication, we should be looking at division right here. So if I had x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 2, there's two ways to do this. One way is the way I teach it to make life a little easier for it, but the other way is actually what the rule says. You're actually supposed to take, as long as you got x on top and x on bottom, you have power of 3 and power of 2. All you got to do is take the top minus the bottom. That's the official rule. Now I taught you in another one that if you have 3 on top, 2 on bottom, cross them off and determine which one of these is bigger. But the rule technically says take the big top number minus the bottom number, which is how we're going to use these next ones. So let's look at a problem, just a couple problems. Start with 3 in the power of 4x all over 3 in the power of 2x. So once again, we got the same base. Now all we got to do is subtract my exponents. Your answer is still going to have a 3 in it. It's not going to be 0, it's not going to be 1. It's going to be 3. All we have to do is take 4x minus 2x. That's it. 4x minus 2x is 2x. That's your answer. Nothing too complicated. Let's step it up a bit. So we have 4 in the power of 2x plus 5 all over 4 in the power of 2x minus 4. So with this problem, we still have the 4. So all we got to do is take the top minus the bottom. That's all you got to do. That's it. So we're going to take 2x plus 5, subtract by 2x minus 4. But you got to remember there, I added parentheses. Very key feature. So that means the front number is going to stay the same, 2x plus 5. Then we're going to change to minus 2x and plus 4 because we changed the signs. That's important to realize what we just did there. We're changing the signs of everything to the right. Once you change the signs, you just combine like terms. Well, I got 2x minus 2x. Well, those cancel out. I got a 5 plus a 4. Well, that gives me 9. So you got 4 in the power of 9. Now, you can leave it like that if you want. If you actually figured out 4 in the power of 9 and got that huge number, you can go right ahead. But I'm not going to stop you. So that should be everything that goes on here. But yeah, remember, we subtract, change signs, and we're all good to go.